Do you know why you can enjoy the taste and quality of our fruit and vegetables throughout the year? Because behind them, there's a production model based on the strictest quality controls and standards. The European production model. Food safety, sustainability, respect to the environment, and traceability are some of the pillars of this production model that guarantee that only the best products arrive at your table. But how are fruits and vegetables produced to feed the whole Europe in a healthy and affordable way? Within this model, there are two production methods, open air and in greenhouse, like this one in which we find ourselves, protecting the crops from plagues and inclement weather. Do you want to discover how they work? The method of producing fruit and vegetables on open air is based on the use of respectful techniques with the environment, the responsible use of natural resources, and the protection and conservation of the soil, highlighting crops such as apple in Poland and watermelon and melon in Greece and Spain. Surely you ask yourself, and what about the production here in the greenhouse? In Europe, there are different types of greenhouses depending on the climatic condition of each region. Some needs to use glass structures and use artificial lighting to compensate for the fewer hours of sunlight. But others, like the one we are in, have different characteristics. Spain is the first country in Europe with more greenhouses. They are mainly located in Almeria, occupying an area of 3,000 hectares next to the sea. Due to its climate and its great amount of sunlight, the only source of energy is the sun, without having to make use of fossil fuels. And thanks to its white color, it reflects sunlight by the so-called albedo effect, reducing the average temperature of the region where it's located, what makes it a sustainable production method. In addition, the use of phytosanitaires is greatly reduced through the biological control of pests and diseases, using auxiliary fauna. But these are not the only insects. Inside the greenhouses, there are a population of bumblebees, which pollinates the plants from flower to flower. But how do greenhouses like this one work? Everything starts with sunlight that passes through the cover of the greenhouse, getting trapped inside the structure and heating the ambient air until reaching an optimum temperature for cultivation that remains homogeneous throughout the day and throughout the year. In addition, to avoid excessive heating, a self-ventilation system using windows on the roof is used. On the other hand, the water vapor released by the plants and the high temperatures generated inside the greenhouse give place to high humidity, creating a unique microclimate that favors the growth of plants. Thanks to the localized irrigation system, we provide the right amount of water at the moment the plant needs it most, favoring a more efficient use of water resources. Now you know everything that happens inside a greenhouse, so that only healthy food reach your table, with a high content of water, minerals, vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. Everything to continue cultivating the best quality, more freshness, more security, and the better taste. Cultivating the taste of Europe. Enjoy, it's from Europe.